Traders, Kaler here with Elite Trading, giving you your pre-market prep here at 9 a.m. So we're excited and we're happy to see that the market did have a slight pullback in the pre-market. We talked about it last night, but let's first off tell you guys this is only my opinion. You're coming in listening to me, and I forgot that I had these on until just now, but you guys are only listening to me for my opinions. You're not coming in here to be getting a stock advisor alert or anything like that. You're getting it from opinion from just a guy that trades that just knows this stuff and likes to go in and learn and talk about it on live camera with you every morning. We do have a live chat. We have a private server over almost 400 members. If you want to be the next one, we have 14 people away from hitting 400. So reach out, and we want to get to 400. So it's exciting, and good morning. We are in the green right now. Tesla now hit green, up $2.56. We had a meeting last night. We were talking about it, just a group of guys having fun, hanging out later on in the evening. And, we said that it's probably a bad time to short this market. And he said, a couple people were like, yesterday in the chat, Jesse, is this going to go down? Do you think that the market's going to have bad reports tomorrow? How do you think the sentiment's going to be? Do you think they're going to be bullish again? Are we going to be buying this dip? And basically, I said, I don't know exactly, but I knew that I was no longer shorting. I was no longer buying puts, or I was no longer looking for any more of a dip because we had a significant pullback. I mean, it wasn't as big as what I think some people want, but I mean, if the trend is the trend. I follow the trend. So if I see something happening in the market, I'm getting out. And at this point, it looks like they're going to be buying that dip. And we're up over $3 now on Tesla. Let's pull up SPY. We're going to get you guys to our newsletter, and then we'll get you to the charts. We're going to look up different tickers. We're going to see what symbols are out there that are running, what's dropping. Let's put it in the chat. Let me know what you want to see. Talk about it. Hit that like button, and let's get started. We have our daily newsletter today. This is Elite Trading 3/5/2021, and every decade or so, dark clouds will fill the economic skies, and they will briefly rain gold. Perfect quote for this morning. Warren Buffett, bulls, Tesla, FPRX, CDEV, RMNI, GNUS, bears today, APPH, VRM, PRPL, TERN, and MWK. Daily news. Major indices sold off during yesterday's trading hours and rose slightly this morning. During the early morning pre-market hours, crude oil futures kept rising after surging 4.2% Thursday on the surprise OPEC Plus decision to keep production cuts in place through April. At 8:30 a.m. ET, the Labor Department will release the February jobs report, which we got, and they were good. Federal Reserve Chairman Mr. Jerome Powell discussed the labor market, the economy, and inflation yesterday, which may have influenced the sell-off seen midday while we were trading. At the end of the day, though, you saw that nice sell-off. Then it continued throughout the day in the late afternoon, but then they bought the dip, and that's what's happening right now. We'll hope that it holds, because we don't want to see red. We want to see green. Been watching that SPCE. We did hear that Chamath did sell over $200 million worth, but he owned it at $34.32. So sometimes taking some profit is not a bad idea. LMTR, we have X, we have GOLD, MGM, all on that list. And currently watching for KMPH and TAP came across the desk being talked about. We're seeing that pop up here, so we'll see about them. Thanks for being a part of Elite Trading. This is Kaler with Elite Trading in the newsletter. Let's jump over and check out the charts. All right. While we were talking about Tesla, we were going for that newsletter. It's doubled the pre-market gains. It went from $3 to $6. Not a huge jump in Tesla when it comes to what we're used to when you're seeing these numbers in the pre-market. What you want to look at is you want to look right here. This is the true move. So you see it started here. This right here is being short the market. This is the cover. And then boom. Then you get the people that are, man, I don't want to miss out. Or they see the move happen. They want to get in, I'm sorry. And then you see the people that are going to come in now that don't want to miss out. Might see a slight sell-off to bring back in on this 624. Wanting that 624 right here, 620 to hold. And if that holds, boom, you can keep on going off to the races. Or this thing just keeps on blasting off until the pre-market open. We have 30 minutes almost till the market opens, so 24 minutes of trading can be a lot. So this is a 5-minute chart here, 5-minute candles. So we have basically, when you want to think about this, you have 5 candles to go. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then trickle down to here, and then maybe another leg up. So let's see what happens with good old Tesla today. Let's take a look at the SPY. See what they're trading like today. They had the same dip. They looked at that chart looks very similar to the Tesla move, and you see, boom, short, not short anymore. Oh, coming in. 380. You know, I literally, I'm not trying to be a guy that says, you know, I'm bragging, but we were in our group. I said 380 yesterday. I said, you know, I think that just makes more sense. You'd like for it to get to 380, hold 380, but you know, it might just chop around there and not give you much more than what you're seeing in the pre-market. And they, you know, this could be all you're going to see for the day, and quite possibly that's what they want you to do. They want you to just get in right around the pre-market open, around 379, 378. They'll flush it down to 377.92 and then rip it all the way higher to 382. That could be exactly what I think is going to happen, and we'll see how they trade it today. Or, you know, they could change their mind. They could take this profit at the top, sell that rip, and then sell it through the 375, get a new lower low at the end of Friday with the lower low. So these are the two moves, 382, 372, 380 has already been targeted, been hit. You see them here, 372.32, 382.12. They respected my purple line. They gave it some love up there at the 379.46. And then now we're at 380.17, up 3.3 handles. Let's go. Green market again. Let's hope it holds. Get excited. Hit that like button. Smash it. Kick it. Punch it. Do your thing. Green Friday. Kid Franks. Morning, Kaylor. I see that. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you. Let's pull up a couple tickers that we had in the charts, or in the group yesterday. We were talking BAC. I ended up actually getting taken out of this trade because I was hoping for a bigger pullback, but nice little pre-market 0.70. You're up 70 cents right now, so that's great. Let's take a look at the Halliburton. Up 67 cents. Let's take a look at let's see that one that you guys said at the end, KMPH. That one I got text. Someone sent that to me. Up 87 cents in the pre-market. It was down $3.84. I like it at 9.75 better than I do here, but then there it goes right now, already moving up 96, 97 cents. It just had that right as we're talking, big green candle there. So good job if you're in that one. I'm not in that one, but I would say that you're looking for it to break that 1109, come back, and it's probably going to get a little bit of hate at that level, but if it flies through there, you're probably going to see a little bit of retracement right where that, I was about to put it there, but I think it's going to go a little higher than this, actually, about right here. And we'll see if it breaks right through that, then it's going to go past that 1109, but if it takes a little break there, you've got room to take out this move here. So if I was to go right there, 1186, so we have half the move would be the 1106, and then if we go into longer trade, it's only on 5 minutes, guys, so we go to the 1 hour. Look at that. Okie dokie. All right, so I like to look at things from the small all the way to the big. I'll change my lines later color wise, guys, don't worry. Okay, so sorry, I'm looking at this one closely just because I saw that pop right as we were talking, and then wanted to make sure that we can see where this could go and see if we can call it. 1475, I call that. We'll say 1475. That's the idea I got there. This came along to 36 cents. Nice consolidation. Yeah. Looks pretty good too. This one I like it at to go to about 50. I like the whole number. It goes back to 50. 55 at the most, but it just went up from 30 cents to 60 cents as we talked about it, and then this thing's blasting off now. What did I say? Let's see. Let's go to the next one. What's next? Let's talk about. Let's check out some oil. How's old and some other stuff here. Let's see what Gush is doing. Nice move. Good job. My buddy is in this one. He's a happy camper. Good job, buddy. Glad that you are waking up to some green on that one. SRAC up 9 cents. I bet. So now here's how you find reactions from different stocks. So like here's your reverse. So you look at DRIP, it should be down because Gush is up. So that's a relationship trade that you'll know if you see that Gush is up, DRIP will be down. So GNRC up $3, getting back some of that. Let's see what Tesla's doing now. I'm curious. Okay. Man, I'd like to see them go all the way up to like 660, 650 today. But we said I think 635 was where 640 is where we talked about it being in the high today. So let's go to X. I like to look at their chart to kind of know about the metals, and they're up. So watch. Let's see if gold's up. Well, it's even. It's even. It's not down. That's a good thing. SLV. Haven't looked at them in forever. Down. Yeah, that's why I don't look at them. How's old our buddy Zoom doing today? $4.36. Up $3.45. Let's go. Good job. All right, so we have what other stocks are being hot this year? Work up 10 cents in the pre-market. Plug getting some of that rally from yesterday that dropped down. They had a nice sell-off. Probably comes back to about 42.90 in that area. Gets you all the way up to 46, and then possibly a nice little sell-off back to 42. I think we're going to be in a bull market. We're going to be green today. What's popping? Brand new stocks just hopped in. What you guys got? I like GAN. DraftKings rocking. Neo got beat up, I know that, but they got a good green morning. Ooh, only 8.7. They've lost love, huh? Let's see here. What about we can do RCL. That looks interesting. I'll have them on my list then. But we are 12 minutes away from getting to the open here, and we're going to end it off there. So stay in the green, stay blessed, and get in the group and learn with us. We appreciate you guys coming in. Hit that like, smash it, kick it, punch it. We'll see you soon. This is Kaler, and I'm out.